Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. We are pleased to show you the 2011 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.